Okay, hi and welcome to another Ben Golding Guitar Masterclass. And today we're having a look at a bit of a Coldplay classic. It is the wonderful Yellow. As always, I'm going to give you the chords with screenshots in 1 second, and then we'll just try jamming the song going between the two sections of it. So first of all, without further ado, the chords you will need for this one are just G. You will need a D. You will need a C, you'll need an E minor, and you will also need, just once at the end, you'll need a D minor. Okay, so like I always say, if any of those give you any problems, try freezing the screenshots and practicing going from one chord to the other. But assuming you are good to go, let's crack on and try jamming the song. I'm going to hum the tune, so you have to excuse the singing in the background, but it helps to see where the chord changes are and how the melody sits on the chords. And also just to say, we are going to play this nice and simple in the open position, but if you were going to play along to the Coldplay version of the song, you would need a capo on the 4th fret, a capo on the 4th fret to keep it in the same key, but we're going to play it just nice and straightforward, no capo, open position. So ready with that verse section, and if we just try the G, get ready with your G, and 2, 3, and G. G, G, and then D. Do, 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 and then C. Do, 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 yellow G, la, la, la. G, G, and then D. Do, 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 and then C. Back to G. Hold the G. Ready with the chorus section to C and C. Da, na, na, E minor, D, and then C. Da, na, na, E minor, D, and then C. Da, na, na, E minor, D, and then C. Hold the C. La, 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 and back to G. La, 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 la. G, G, and then D. D, D, and then C. And it was called Yellow G. La, 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 la. G, G, and then D. D, D, and then C. Back to G. Hold the G. Let's change next section and C. Da, na, na, E minor, D, and then C. Da, na, na, E minor, D, and then C. Da, na, na, E minor, D, and then C. And da, na, 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 back to G, and so on. And I did say about the D minor bit, and that is just the very last time, just before the end of the song. It does the G, D, C part again, but instead of D, you do a D minor. Instead of the D major, it's a D minor. So you just have, ready with that G, and 3, and G. Get the stars, G, do, 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 D minor, and then, and then C. The song just ends like that there, just G, D minor and C. So there you have it, nice straightforward classic song, and that's so simple there, shouldn't give you too many problems. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy, and see you again soon for more super easy guitar songs with Ben Golding Guitar. Thank you.